What does real French sound like? When we think about French in technology, especially in AI systems, we often imagine clear grammar, clear pronunciation, probably like well structured sentences. But that's really not how French is spoken in real life because it's short, it's informal, it's full of slang, regional expression, and there's lots of code switching mixed with other languages. And this gap between real French and the French AI actually expects and get generates an output is the main focus of my project. AI has made like impressive progress in NLP, which are natural language processing, and it can translate French text, summarize articles, and generate like pretty fluent responses. But this is only successful in news articles, essays, or official documents. The moment we move into informal or regional French, the performance drops noticeably, which isn't just a major limitation. It affects how people actually interact with technology every day. Voice assistants struggle with certain accents, translation tools lose their meanings, and informal speakers are misunderstood or ignored. So, this really isn't a technical issue, it's a human issue, which led me to my central question. Why does AI struggle so much with informal and regional French? And what does that reveal about how these systems are built? So my project explores this by deliberately stepping away from textbook French. So instead of testing AI on formal sentences, I used informal spoken French and slang, which is called verlan in French. I then analyzed how AI models respond, where the meaning is lost, where the interpretations fail, and where literal translation replaces work. Modern AI systems are based on large language models, LLMs. Despite how fluent they sound, these systems do not understand the language like we humans do. So, in terms of computer science, they break the text into tokens, and those tokens are used to convert them into representations called embeddings, and using probability to predict the most likely next token based on patterns learned from training data. So the model, when it's being trained, it does not ask, what does the speaker mean? It's asking, what word is statistically most likely to come next? And the distinction is crucial. This explains why AI performs reasonably well at semantic analysis, but poorly at pragmatic analysis.